long and hard. No, for true. Me I think about it long and hard. I'm thinking about the situation long. I'm thinking about it hard. Him walk with just too easy. Him walk with just too easy. The rage we're supposed to be under as a person, as a parent, it's just too easy for me. I can't understand it. I can't. That's your kid, bro. So something is not right. Not care what them over there gonna say, care what them are gonna say. Something not right. Shan journey, something is not right. The way how they walk away is so easy. Something is not right. Think about it. Something missing, something not right. Me not understand it easy. Me can't come to terms of it. Think about it. Think about it. I want to think about it and think if I am misjudging the whole situation. Want to think. Maybe that's why the lady said that she doesn't want to be a part of his circle thing. She over there dissect the story. She over there. Nessa did over there. I do. Nessa did over there dissect the story. She was. I know.
Yes, and donkey and so I try to teach him the right, train him the right way, brother.
And people just pick up, them just take things out of proportion. So they take a little bit from here and a little bit from there and then just run with whatever they want to make up and say whatever they want to say. And that is what happened. Everybody looking content, everybody looking clout. So, take every seriousness to put it to clout and context. That's just crazy.
Him still too calm for me. Him is still too calm for me.
All when it's serious. All when the matter is serious. I try everything in their power tonight to run with the narrative that she will hear the news and stick with it over there. And she just tried to cover it up. She hear the junk and she just trying to cover it up and she just let them go to the station, them doing this and them doing that. Like serious? Like serious?
All of them know. That's so cocky, Cheryl, she know.
This woman do everything from months. every minute she get, every second, she try and do everything in her power. Whatever she can get, she will use it to get Jixby and bar or to get him killed. That is what we know she doing from September.
That is
From September.
True.
And there's no question asked about that and no apology for that. She's doing that from September. Whatever she can do.
She's trying to do everything in her powers. She don't she just, oh my God, I'm so upset. It's just, you know, you have to protect your children at all costs. But she's not
You know what she said? You know what she petty? You know what she said? Oh no, over here say my good father. You see what happened?
Yeah, that's what I say.
Because she you
Oh, me I use everything in my power to get Jakes behind bars. Me have blood cut I walk and look people serve him. I wanna ask them all about. You saw them dunce? What is wrong with these dunce bitches? It should make sense. Lady, you make sense? You make sense? Oh, me if you do everything in my powers. For blood clot send Jakes behind blood clot bars and me not serve Jakes in a paper. Me not walk in a Jakes blood clot way. Eh? You make sense? That mascot woman is so not mascot. She make sense? For sure, so when I them not no sense. Make it make sense, eh? Way, me say, when enough is a hell of a thing, you know. Me I do everything in my power to try to get Jakes behind blood clot bars. And this is 1 month. 1 month this. This is which month? 1 month this. 1 month this, March. So, oh, me I do everything in my power to send you got blood clot, say behind bars. Oh, me I do everything me I do behind. Everything me I do for send you behind. Me I do everything for try get Jakes behind blood clot by another March. Me see make sense? You saw me listen to them? You don't even make no sense. How am I supposed to doing everything in my power to get Jakes behind blood clot bars and that is in March? The whole I want is protecting him because the lies are not telling that you not like girl. No make no sense. Something is missing from the puzzle. You're supposed to be a parent underage when you see a brother. You're supposed to be a parent underage when you see a brother. Like how when you see me over 100 man, or you come out and click live and turn it for me. Already for the things them. No sense to them. That's what else to know. No sense. Something is missing out of that story. Nah, stop say so. Him walk with too easy. God make them go deflect that. Him walk with too easy. Make them go deflect that. Oh, and she's trying to put him behind bars some last year. Ain't she make sense? Lady, you make sense? Bear you in mind, this man trapped me and give me 17 says inside out, you know. And then me never lock him up for how much in years ago that when Chantal baby. Why me go try to put him behind bars? You see me I walk a courthouse to him. I uno him a try I uno I make him a try put me behind bar sake of money because I uno I send him go a courthouse. I uno I send him all about. Them dunce. Them only can speak spooky. Them dunce. Them only can speak spooky. Go hear the grass, mate, them. You hear the grass, them.
Yeah.
The message said, the screen recording said, we will send a message to Cheryl. So, okay, she sent a message to me. Why not supposed to post
Cheryl, you know me love you, right? End the life. We don't want to give them no more evidence. We don't want to give them no end the life.
We not give nobody no evidence.
Okay?
We not give nobody no evidence. We not give nobody no evidence.
Alright.
We not give nobody no evidence.
Night, everybody.
We not give nobody no blood clot evidence.
Love you, baby.
We not give nobody no every blood clot dance. We not set of germs for woman. That's wanna be.
They gon' talk no matter what you do.
We not give nobody no evidence. We not germs for woman. That wanna be. You can't even listen to them. We not give nobody no evidence. We not germs for woman. That wanna be. Cause you are saying that. You are saying that. You are saying that me I try everything in my powers to lock up this man and me not the man take out restraining order upon me not go near him. The man make stinkiness I walk and serve me pay summons. All of this and all of that. So how comes me I try prison him? something is not right about the story. So I went. Chata, when was Brazil first match? When was Brazil first match, chat? Chat, who remember when was Brazil first match? Something is not right about the story. Something isn't. So when was Brazil first match? Anybody knows can type it quick. It can't be the 29th of June. When was Brazil first? It can't be the 29th of June. When was Brazil first match? Nobody don't know. Too much. No, too much I wanna type. Once at the 13th of June, once a May. At one whole heap sitting this year. Toto, when was Brazil first match?
When was Brazil first match? I win again. World Cup start the 10th. I think them play the 12th. I think on the day of your birthday. Or the Saturday. Wait, let me see. Wait, I can Google it.
Google it and let me know. Text me it. So it's June 13. Okay. It's June 13. Hey, as someone knows, a social media one wicked place, you know. You hear what the little girl say? When him pull on her clothes, she tell her granny. And then Cheryl say, I go say, when little girl tell her, she tell her on the phone to the granny. So if him pull on your clothes, your granny know, oh, comes on act right away. That's so. And the last month, she said that happened. Something is missing in the puzzle. Something is missing in the puzzle. Because if him said that to her, say, when she said, come now, come here, come. She said that happened on the first day of World Cup. And she said, the pull on clothes happened last month. And she tell the granny. So how can your son sit down and pull down your granddaughter's clothes and you? She told you about it. And I know Naga Station tonight. I told me come talk on Naga Station. I chew my talk. Them just a gas station.
She drinks, just chat and she knows that.
So when I tell her say your brother, so when I tell her say Your uncle pull on your clothes. It was last month.
I don't know. I remember when that's somewhere in a month before last month.
You tell her so? Okay. So when him pull on your clothes, you tell her, you tell your granny?
No.
Huh?
No. Listen me, want to look with after I tell her.
Shanta, when Adrian pull on your clothes with Barbara, you never tell your granny?
No. I tell her look a bit after.
You tell her look a bit after.
Yeah.
But you tell her.
And that much just. Hello, who is this? Hello? Hello?
Shanta,
Yeah.
this is not a joke.
Laugh.
This is not a joke. 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 This is not no joke, nothing. Don't sit down. Don't say me you can call Cheryl and tell her this is not a joke. This is serious something. Did you tell your grandmother when Adrian and your brother pull on your clothes? It's not a joke. It's not a joke.
I look a bit after my tell her.
Oh, so you told her?
Jesus Christ. Let me just say I
Okay. Yeah, because like somebody decided you're coke, so you know, come and know you, know. Don't think me not know you as my child. When the truth come out, them cokes you for switch your mouth. Them will do that. You know, you know, tell me how it run here, so I know them stay. I know you. Me know you, you know. Because I had identified something already, you know, where you tell me, you know, and when the father come up there and say, no, I never tell her that. You tell me that. So I realize from them time they say, when them say something to your mouth, we switch. But anyway, go on your bed. So when the uncle pull on your clothes, you tell your granny, say your granny no. So I know the first shot hear about it. It's not the first she's hearing about it, how careless she be. And then the whole of them sit down and go like say people are idiot. Exactly. Someone is there that should depend. Hello, who is this? Somebody around her, man. The coke's in. It's okay. We don't talk Shika. Okay. So your granny know. How that me say that me say. So you know them something. Okay. So if your granny know that from last month, cause we say we are work with, you know. Your granny know that from last month. How comes them never got the station from last month or when it happened? How comes that tonight them I got the station when me talk?
And when did the guy leave?
Tonight the boy leave. In the week when my video call him there on the bedside of bar. Yeah. He sleeps over there with them. He's over there with them. You sleep over there with the mama. So if your granny know when you tell your granny, if your granny know when you tell her, you say you tell her and she know. So that means that the granny know before Cheryl. Because she chat him out. So she stay. So if your granny know before Cheryl, so when Cheryl hear the news, so then Something wrong, but something. I don't understand something about this. Something not right about this. My dear.
You know what she was saying?
Somebody's covering up for somebody. That is just what that proves.
Because she was saying, if they go to the station and report it, CD is going to get involved.
And since then, them go report it.
That's what they said.
Yeah, since that, them go report it.
Because you said something.
I told me that them go report it since night.
They wouldn't have said
Them wouldn't go nowhere. And look, a girl tell her granny from last month say her uncle pull on her blood clot clothes and you know Adrian a pedophile. So you know. I should come talk. Yeah. They could have run gas station. I'm there, him dead all along. In a week she call me. In a week she call me on video call. I'm ask her about her brother. She said, see her brother there. I'm there on the bed, sit down. Lie down, sorry.
you said Wednesday.
Yeah. Yeah. Both Tuesday, when it, yeah. Thursday. End of the week. Are you here to stutter? When I say your father touched you? And she replied bluntly, no. And then when I say he touched you and she stuttered, and then she said no. So they're kids, they don't understand. Where you pick up the initiative, you're a teacher, you're not stupid. Did your father touch you? She went right ahead and bluntly and said, no. But when I asked her if her uncle touched you, she sighed for a minute, silenced for a minute, and said no after. So she's covering up because she don't want to be in trouble. Cover up, Agwan. Just listen to the tone. You work with kids. And you're a mom, you're not stupid. You're going to ask the child, if a child comes into your office and say, what happening? And you're going to ask her the question, did your father touch you? She blankly, no. Straight over the back, no. Did your uncle touch you? No.
She's trying to define the touch.
Exactly. Or she's covered. Something is not right with the situation. Same as you can't say no, your father not touch you. You should have said no, your uncle not touch you right away. You shouldn't stop. You shouldn't just go silent for a minute. You said no. Something the answering, you have to just listen. The answering is not correct. And I said to her, Shanta, your uncle could touch you? Nah. And these gonna be repeated questions.
Because it has to be the same.
Exactly. So they would ask you how to touch. Where did they touch you? Where is it? Where did he touch you? They might ask that. How? However, how?
What type of man was it?
Because you tell her granny they do nothing. So what should when my gas station tonight go? You make the boy get to it, because I hide something. I'm careless, rummy drinker, cokehead smoker, dirty people. I don't know why see they take my opinion for me to blood because this could have never happen as careless as them say maybe. As careless as them say maybe, I don't know how see they take my opinion them father. I don't know how that happen. Something is not adding up. Something is not adding up. Something is not adding up. Something something not right.
It was going to be hard to get to talk to her now.
You can't talk to her. And I'm going to coax her. She's under coax now. I'm going to coax her.
They didn't tell her.
Because he didn't pull on her clothes this week. He didn't pull on her clothes this month. He pulled on her clothes last. That's what I said before. The 3 things them that comes underline what she said to me that he done to her couldn't come in this full week. They have to be a coax the little girl. As a predator, he's grooming her. So them don't happen all at once.
You're gonna see how far
Exactly. Because he said to her that Amia come. She said when Basil do the match. Come, walk up and come now. You're gonna come here, come. He said that to her since month. He pull on her clothes last month. And when him show her the porn on the phone or the hood them, it cannot be in the same month. No, I just said it a while ago. They cannot be in the same 3 lines of a category. That's not how a predator works. You watch it on the movie. Them coax you. It has to be stages by stages. So they must say when you go school says that it's an attempt after attempt after attempt. It's a very numerous attempts till them get what them want. It's an attempt. You can't do the one of them one time. It not gonna make no sense. Never do them one back at one another. Space them out and line them out. Them gonna pass and add. Where? Yes. Where? Yes. I should have taken for her last because she's a child. But him know him intention. And when you told your grandmother and she do nothing about it, can you say tell her, say the two of them pull on your clothes, she should have taken legal action from there. Silently go to the station, call the police, tell them and them come pick up her son out of the house. I made them explain. They say, you not do that, you not do that. And when my company made not just a gas station. So them could have fuck her and not just a gas station. Because I'm careless. Oh, me a prison jakes. I'm careless. You know your brother a pedophile. You know your brother a pedophile. You should never have him around your child. All up on the internet I just define and degrade me. I in my business. I watch every move that me make. And all she care about her, she don't care about her pit now, she care about his man. Because if him touch a child before and I know that child is not yours, it's a child. He'll do it again.
If there's no consequence.
And what puzzles me is how him just walk away scotch free. You're supposed to be in a rage. The rage you're supposed to be undered as a father. That is what completely gets me in a frenzy shock right now. Say me never come talk now and them run go call him. Him mama wouldn't run gas station. She not cahoots with it. Cause she's supposed to lick for her son in her blood clot. Tab him too as her blood clot son. Cause you mash up your granddaughter innocent. What the whole one has to me, I idiot. Oh, she's going to prison, Jakes, and don't. She can't tell the media, and you know the people I'm gonna say over here, you know, because you're the stinking one over there now. You know what I'm gonna say over here, you know, because they're licking clout and everything is about a clout, and you know they're gonna say, you know, and like, where you say make sense. You never want me talk. Yeah, you want to put him in a good father light at always. Him pull on her panty. Remember say when I talk to Barbara the phone upon speaker. Barbara say the uncle pull on her clothes the most. Cause he's a child. So he will be doing it in a playful mode. Exactly. The uncle pull on her clothes the most. So I'm gonna touch all her pussy. And your granny know you're gonna do know about it. Cause you said the night which like gonna do junk.
Yeah. But that's why she probably didn't And so the touch first time.
Exactly. Exactly. Him after blood clot touch her. Something is not right. But anyway, we rest with case. I have nothing more for say. I have to. It have to be a must.
I'm just glad she's home.
I'm glad me talk. I said me never talk. I mean, me the ear to not say nothing. Them wouldn't talk it, and the boy with their own little girl say me till him fuck her.
Or do something.
Yeah. So me glad me talk. Me not care what nobody want to say. Me glad me talk. Me glad me talk. Cause I me never talk since night. The boy with them wouldn't send off. I send him off. Send off the boy. Tell go on, run away. That them do. So me glad me talk. It's my child. I'm allowed to speak about her at any given moment. Me glad me talk. Me glad me talk. I them send him off. Me glad me talk. Cause I said me never talk. Me wouldn't know say from last month. Him pull on her clothes. You're gonna know about it. So they will on her on gas stations for. So when she tells Cheryl today, and Cheryl and the granny the blow, and Cheryl a mascot, you know. Cheryl a one big dirty stinking mascot. That's what me hate her. I'm not spitting a Cheryl face in her real life. This life or the next life. You never blood clot, no. I saw my vicious. But that tear up Cheryl with my teeth. Yeah. That tear up Cheryl with my teeth. I found they hear so good woman. They just talk. They just like they just like to talk. You're the so cocky bitch, no? They just like to talk. I mean, shut up. They just like to talk. When I heard today, I was so shocked. And I told her hand. When I heard today, I was so shocked. And I hand the phone. Tell her to hand the phone to the grandmother. So I tell her, say, when Cheryl, I don't know how you be a big stinking old bumblehole. You say why you want big stinking old bumblehole? Eh? You way has to make sense? How you gonna make sense? Where has to make sense? If you tell her, so you tell her today. In the day part, oh, blood clot comes at night in a 9 fat. My phone there. I want to find it coming. I want to turn a light on myself. Read that.
From 9:50.
So if I tell Shirley, if Shirley said she heard today, oh, comes at 9:50 at night to Naga blood clot station. What's all that makes sense?
It's because you talk about it.
Exactly.
You know that.
The boy over there till him fuck the little girl. None of them no business, none of them no care. And she become talking on the net. Why you never tell Master, carry the little girl going to the station now and hold on upon the boy could should have been in custody. All of them know. The father got involved too. I saw them nasty. Me not put nothing past them. If you said the little girl call and tell her today on the phone to the granny in a day, you said today, never say night. You said day.
And she told him before. She told him. And that was like around what, 6, 7 o'clock.
And she tell her father before she tell me.
Yeah.
How comes him walk with scratch free? Make it make sense.
But I think that's why she told you, because nobody wasn't doing that.
Exactly. Me tell my father before me tell you. Oh, it makes sense.
They wasn't doing nothing about it. That's why she told you. That's what she told you. She didn't feel safe. She did not feel safe.
Because if him pulling your clothes in the last month, your granddad don't know nothing about it.
And then he's making
him
conversation. But that's why you call mother.
From me text from my pitney tell me that me sorry me never dare see you. That prison door you miss me. By a mile. Yeah.
It sucks to be helpless. But
something me missing. Me know I'm a pitney, me not idiot.
she told you for
Me say me don't talk to you. Me know I'm a pitney, me not idiot.
That's what she told you.
Me know I'm a pitney, me not idiot.
And she only telling you.
Cause she quick.
Everything.
She quick and she quick and she fast and she smart. Yeah.
I think in the way she told you she was very scared.
You don't know what them a do. All of them a mascot. Me know my pitney. Them can't tell me nothing. Them could have slung over there and dissect the story 100 million teen blood cut. Them can't tell me nothing. Me no idiot. It's when me I left him. I she tell me say, Mommy, Daddy and Ali are there. And she tell me say, Miss Mommy, me have something to tell her. Me say what? But she got tell me say somebody touch her, you know, cause me say she depend me have something to tell me say talk no. You know what? Me say, hey, talk out of your mouth. Talk! I want hear it now. But that first thing coming to my mind, cause me start think now, you know. Cause me not gonna ask no boy no question now, you know. A straight stab. She said about Mommy, Daddy and Ali are there. So what? She said yes. And them the blood clot time they. Them the time they last year she had 10.
I don't know if that's why they had taken her phone from them.
She's smart. Long time. Like creative cooking. Her brain well developed. She's the advanced person. She quick to everything. Mommy, Agent hold some type of argument with me. What type of argument? You don't know. She didn't tell me what type of argument. But my brain quick. It has to be sexual. Because she can't say it. It has to be sexual. You don't know. I'm a man. So that, you see it? So her brain quick. And she tell me, said, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, and Ali are there. I tell her I love you tight all. Yeah. Mommy, the day when me I go over Mali go buy, go buy crab. The seafood, then some go buy the seafood over Mali. Ali see me and call my daddy and tell my father. She see me. I say to him, say, what a way. Ali see, Shanta go buy crab and call you and tell you. I swear when the little girl come, him call the little girl out of the room and she come, I'm out change. A long time I see it in him. I say, watch I eat that here. I'm observe, you know. Because she tell me a story and then when you did it, I'm out change. She afraid. Exactly. When you tell them, I say, I never that me tell her. Me just left the argument right away. Me not go further. Me say, oh, your blood clot, your body boy. I saw you stay. Because what? She afraid the liquor, so you bully her. I'm out change. I say, oh, Akim gave her 50,000 for her birthday. She tell me she gave her father the 50,000. Then she say, at 35. So, Mr. Shanta, oh, you tell me, say you give your father the whole $50,000, then him come say at 35,000 him get. Mommy, me did give him the $50,000 and me did take 15,000 out I to buy something. So me when me put a story, I say that story sounds strange. Because you tell me say you give him 50,000, like him say you give him 35. Remember you know? You tell me say you give him 50,000, like him say you give him 35. So I say, oh, come you tell me, say you give your father 50,000, your father say 35 you give him. Mama, me did give him the 50,000, I take 15,000 back from him. He didn't say it in that way, but she said it in the way that he's supposed to say. So you see the difference? I'm a grown blood clot allowed. I saw them like wicked and evil, so I tell you one, tell I pay your poor pitney. What the fuck she go buy fan for go? She leave some for buy fan for blood clot go? She buy fan or she buy fan for go? She buy no fan for go no way? She no buy no fan for go no way? If me never come talk, them wouldn't got blood clot station since night. If me never come talk, them wouldn't carry gas station at 9:50 tonight.
That's what they took upon.
Yeah. I want to make it make sense, because I have to try to understand with some of them people here. So if me never come talk, because them over there talk say no. The drunker them over there talk say no. Why she come talk that on the media? If me never come talk him on gas station tonight at 9:50. Remember now me I make it up in the text, you know. And them say them with them blood clots, they lie, you know. Remember now I make it up, she just text me it. Let me say a lie now. Let me say a lie. Mama, I'm going on the station when? She said she and her father and Claudia. She said she and her father and Claudia and Marcy go on the station. And her father depend like how long. Some of you know with. Then why? Mommy and me, I'm a father. Mommy and me, I'm a father. And me and my granny and Claudia, I'm a father going to the station. You know how long our father depend life? Him just half a while ago. And him and the whole of them, they open the box all long. A chit chat. Them open the box all long, a chit chat. Hold on, I come for access it, I not come for stay too long. When is that Cheryl hear the news today? Today?
Yeah, them said that today she hear the news, yeah, and she called Marcia, and Marcia said...
Today as in day or night? Today,
day. She said today, yeah.
Oh, today as in the daylight?
Yeah, today she hear. Yeah. And she said she hear, and she tells Chantal to give Marcia the phone.
Yes.
And Marcia go in at the, I guess wherever Adrian was, Marcia went and talked to Adrian and said to Adrian, you have to leave. And then she tell him if you go to police station. I say, why you go to police station when you gone already? If you don't tell him you have to leave. So that's what she said.
So that's what she said.
Yeah, that was her word.
So what that's supposed to show you now? Where you can't sort of the store, none of them send him off.
They never have no intention. My opinion is they had no intention of arresting him, because why would you tell him to leave? That's my opinion. They hadn't, may I use their words, you know? Their words may I use. They had no intention of getting him arrested or doing anything, because they wouldn't have told him to leave. But me hear you ask Shanta just now say how long the pull down close happened, and she say last month, and she tell her grandmother a few days later. So they had no intention of doing nothing. They never take nothing serious.
That means she tell her granny, and she tell her granny after it happened, them not do nothing. So when me come talk here, he ma groom her for fuck her, so me come expose it, feel not happen. Because what? If so cocky Cheryl, I mean I put no respect for your name. If so cocky Cheryl call Marcy in the day and tell her to Marcy, and Marcy as a mother, you're not gonna tell a predator to leave. You're gonna secretly go by the station. I call the police to him for them to arrest him and sort out. Don't it?
True. She shouldn't even question him. She shouldn't even make him know them aware of anything.
Exactly. Because you're trying to hold a predator, don't it? That means say, them are cover up. So them could have did that feel look at a long time and the whole of them know.
Yeah, so she not, that time when me get from me, they never gonna do nothing about it. When you
cannot let him walk away. Oh, can a father? That means like hear what Jake said tonight over Cheryl say. Him can't believe he make the boy walk away. He was right in front of you.
So him talk to him too? After Marcia talk to him, talk to the brother too?
How will liar there? Liar way.
No, me don't listen to them and me get ignorant in the rose and me left. Me don't listen to them and me get ignorant and me left. Me don't listen to it and me get ignorant and me couldn't listen no more.
He said that him can't believe he make him brother walk with under blood. What I supposed to see if I see a brother since night?
Well,
gonna spikes up our heads up to leave because a parent in rage. Because if you have your child where you care for and love so much, and you use somebody touch them, you're not gonna ask them a question.
True.
I don't just right away.
Yeah, so, that's what me I said to you. Go beat them because nobody.
Too calm. Liar, him is too calm. My feet are just touch little girl too, you know. Him too calm. And I never come up.
No put your brain this.
You're too calm.
No put your brain this.
You are too calm. You're supposed to be in a rage. As a father, as a parent.
I agree.
The one will come from the ghetto. We know the system.
Him should have
blood clap. Him and ask him a question.
Yeah, true.
Him too calm.
Because nobody not gonna report him for something like that.
Oh.
That's true. Nobody not report him. Good night.
Good night.
True.
Okay. Okay. If me never said no them wouldn't gas station. She tell her granny said the boy pull on her clothes from last month. So your granny know. Yeah, your granny said she tell him to leave. That makes sense? I don't want to come on the internet come in a story about girl and party and who girl a take and who not even pay attention to the kids. It's how I want to kill this. Then my pin could have them the blood clot. Me could have my pin in my care and them something I take care of my pin. That means I kill this blood clot, mama. Where me there for pay attention? In class. Make it make sense. When me there in argument. Them notion journey. And them allow it. Because them grow up to be a skettle. So if me never come talk, you wouldn't decide for gas station because you look bad. You actually look bad now, you know. And then, oh, you're so cockiness. And oh, don't ask her that. Let us try to do the legal action where it's necessary. Oh, you got to do legal. You got to do legal action when they say when your blood clot, mama tell her son to leave. Because she don't want them lock him up.
right thing, it would have never came on the media.
Eh?
If they did the right thing, it would have never came on the media.
What am I saying to me? The whole of them are pedophile. A long time him a do it. Him first court case for him have. Him first court case for him have. In him lifetime, a people pick him touch. Adrian first court case where Adrian have. A people pick him touch. People pick him touch. And they are court feet. Get locked up and they are cold feet. And them don't learn. And you know that. You make it reach your data.
No, when they're like that.
That's for them little bit him stay so. Yeah. They know who we are.
When they're like that, it's a sickness that they can't.
Him can't control him urge. Him a pedophile. Jakes know this, the woman know this. Him did their cold feet. I want me come talk, them say me a liar. They know. Them know me not lie. Them know. Them know what him is. Him did have a court case already where mama never follow him go one time go court. Cause she send her shit him go touch me pitney. Him mama know him a pedophile. Jakes know him a pedophile like how me I tell you say me know him a pedophile. That's what him do regularly. So if you know that I'ma tell this already, Jakes me don't want Adrian round my pitney. But me never know said him dead it. Cause me say court case and me lock up and all of this and all of that. Me never know. So I one night I know when I call her, she show me her brother, I'ma see him. I say to her, say, Shanta, me no want to see her on Adrian, you know. Him like touch look a pitney. I put it on as a thing start take effect already. I always talk it. Me always talk. It's my brother pedophile will touch me pitney. Cuss him and tell him them a drunk crowd. I talk it already. I tell him, cuss him over here and tell him who can find but the screener card. Cause when him over here define my blood clot, man, me a cuss him and tell him say my brother pedophile. Well, I touch you pitney. I define other people, me I tell him about him from the talk it. How which one who in I'm family don't know about him and me tell him it. Me cuss him and tell him it. So now and me know what me I say. You know you that. Him did have court case when it already. Come here. Touch me pitney and see if you have a runway. When they did on a fishing village like him. So when me come talk, now the fuck me stop. Cause them never want to know about, them never want TikTok know about it. So me hate stinking Cheryl. You never want TikTok know about it. Because you say and master the phone, master, here we do. Go to the station with the granddaughter now. Don't even give Adrian a heads up that you're going down there. Go with her now and let she explain to the boy and let the police then pick him up. Them will pick him up from there. He wouldn't get a chance to escape in the night, go and hide. And them not see him again. So you allow him to walk away because you know, because you not cover up something. And then when come talk, oh, me I look out out of what? No need for come talk for beg one money gun. No need for do them something there. A serious something them a pitney. What are you talking about? What the clout there? You know don't exploit the kids over here for gift already. So what the fuck you talk about? Everything you do, everything you do with your kids, you involved on the internet. So why you hide this one? That me want know. If you can them go to school, you show, look at girl shape out, look at girl see a period that you tell people so can they on screen card with that World Dog and Jabas and Jedon on the screen where you tell them so she starts the period. That ain't private. So you can talk that and exploit them when you go to school. You show up to the world and live stream that you show she shape. Look at that clout me I look. A long time on social media, I input my opinion on social media, them picture. I never used to know my opinion a long time I beg. Pass the charger, give me plug in my phone. A long time I saw beg. Long time. Only you see your voices in the background. Come know you saw a demon's place. And for you put your opinion at the demon's ground, demons will take place. I have never posted them on I have never posted none of my kids and none of my social media platform that I have. Never. Come on, them not put them up for missing kids. Never. Never. Up until me do one video with Shanta. One time. So up on my page, there are only about 2 videos with Chantal I have. I'm a big fan, me there from 2022. I never put them on social media, not even a picture. You only can't hear them in the background. Mommy, mom, that's it. I don't them. Some people don't even know that chicks make people the world know and pity them look. Cause when I beg the money, when them in a CPS and I beg the money and I use him head, oh, I'm a father that is suffering for my kids. Can you please send me $1? Oh, I'm a father that is blind and I'm suffering. Can you please send me $1? When them get take when I said them, I input them on social media. Cause nobody don't know them look. Cause I never put them yet. Not even a picture in a post. Cause I know yes that demon place. And for your 11-year-old child to be just busting boobs and shaping up, and you are carrying her to school, and your main focus is on her ass. Walking, he's a blood clot pedophile too. So cocky boy. I'm the done talk to me, see me, I wait for the day patient if he stab you up and kill you. You never know? I wait for the day patient if she say. Because she shape but she's sexy. Yeah, carry go to school. Why you have video and walk and go out? Turn the camera upon you. Hi, in the camera, hi, and that's it. What are you doing? They don't see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. And they suck at them over there. Oh, he must have a good father. And she's trying to mash up the man that him 1 year, you know. That's why him 1 year. That's why him want to sell 1 year. She's trying to mash up the man and she's trying to push prison the man. Me I try prison you. You ever take a restraining order paid? Me a blood cut a walk with people for you? Eh? Or me I try prison you? If me never blood clot prison, you need to chop up man. When I go prison you know for. Make it make sense. So all of them over there dope your bat. Are you do this? Are you do this? This all of them scarp on body are you do it. And if me never prison you when I chop me by my hand. 17 stitches inside out. Oh, I'm gonna prison you now for what reason me left. And put them all about. Finish your house and get them together. Simple. That is what made that fight for all along. And this is what made that prevent. And when I come here, come talk, the whole of them say me obsessed over this man. This is what made that prevent all along. And the whole of them say I'm obsessed over the man. It's not obsession, she obsessed him, no want her. And then she act him in an argument. Hear him now with him, look a suck pussy self. And time the boy, you know, you Dash come in an argument with me. Like that makes sense? If man not use me, not go on business, make man want about him business, I want man alone in the world there. Eh? If man not use me, man not use me. Me not go make man go on about him business, the Akim now, you make Akim go on about him business, I stay about my business, simple. I have tried for you to finish your house, to get them in a complete home. Suck pussy, boy.
Offer to help him.
You see, if I'm in the day, Steve, you may stab up. You think I agent alone? Because you allowed if it happen. Because I offer you help. I offered to help you. I offered to help you with my own cash. Finish your house. Me rent, just get some rent. Me will help you pay rent in advance. All of them something said to the crannies. All of them the story there. And you know, it explained to all Rose want back Jakes because Aki don't want her. That's all it come down to. So, oh, you're good for your brother, John. Oh, you're good father, and your brother pulling your daughter clothes. Oh, you're good father, your blood clot, big stinking long seed. Brother, when ball supposed to bust in a tone one light. I'm supposed to have ball. I show your blood clot daughter, would have feel her up. If you pull on her clothes, you go see her pussy, I want to touch it, and she not talk. All them something that crazy, you're good father. That me want them act. I don't plan for asking them, not asking that, you know. They must say me I look cloud.
And like the comments.
And them the question, them lock out the comments. And them the question, and them for ask him, oh, you're a good father. So when these things are happening to your child, where are you? That suck cocky child for ask Jakes. Suck body Nessa, and the rest are suck at them in the box. For ask Jakes. When these things are happening to your child, where are you? If you say you have a good relationship with your child, as something happened, she's supposed to tell you right away. So, and the occurrence that happened, which one happened first? Whether the nudity I'm sure you happen first, or the pull on clothes happen first, or them two that happen first, you know. Whichever one that happened first, you should have been the first one to know from the first beginning, because it's 3 attempts. As a good father. Exactly. So why would you tell your grandma instead of your dad? And if you told your grandmother 2 days after, why you not tell your father? Exactly. So the relationship with your kids that you're putting on it is a lie. Because if your kids have a good, if you are your kids have a good corresponding. If you or your kids have a good corresponding, where you and them can sit down and them feel comfortable to share anything with you, you'd have known that from the jump, from the first attempt. She come one night, I say, Shanta, don't worry yourself. I get clear 40. I can turn her bestie. Because I see where she just wants to express how she feel and comfortable doing it, and she needs somebody, but I don't want to put certain argument to her in certain way, you know, because she's still young.
Yeah. But you want to give her a safe space.
Exactly. When I say that, no, Akim was right then, like master to me say, like, where you say to your pitney, but you wouldn't understand. She will never understand what I'm doing. More give her a safe space, so when you come, you can say, Mommy, so and so happen. Mommy, Ray, te. You have to give them that. So, more if you go out and nobody do you nothing, Mommy the first person you run to. You're not alone in this world. If you had that bond with your daughter, 3 event wouldn't happen, I would have won. I would have get rid of from the jump. You're just a liar. You're just a liar. People know you that, you know. You're just a liar. Everything for the media. Everything, media, everything for the media. Every single thing for the media. That is the first attempt. The first attempt, if you even gone away, you ask people, if you even ask a therapist this, you work with kids, if you ask a therapist this, the first, if you had that bond with your parents, 3 attempts wouldn't happen. When this all start to happen? From 2023? Who you tell? Did you tell your parents? You know that I'm not living with my mom, I'm mostly with my dad. And did you tell your dad? No, but I told my grandma, you think a therapist are gonna look upon? How comes you and your dad, that is your second parent, don't have that bond that as things happen to you at once, they're supposed to be, they're the first to know. Therapist there. Him first to know. She's a bit comfortable for call her daddy and tell her daddy, find him and tell him set speed. Find him and tell him set speed more than the junk, the old cokehead mama we have. And the mama are cokehead. Old junkie. All them want a rum. I want backers. I'm gonna come talk, the whole of them eat me. When Sassy said to him, say, GX me ear say when the brother I will certain argument with the daughter, Rose say, your daughter tell you. Next she jump in. Let us like someone said, let us get legal actions right away. What kind of legal action you gonna get right away? Next when you're not gonna catch the blood clot, boy. GX and the woman send off the boy already. Leave! It's a send off. So that means say your child, your own opinion don't get no justice. And she gonna live with the memory till she die. No justice. Yeah. Because what? If he does something like that and she don't like it, and she's trying to look justice and she's young, other people go do the same thing. God, she never got justice first, and she never get it none. That you put in your head.
She's not listening.
Exactly. We never tell you if I'm not going to do nothing. We never find Adrian now. Oh, no, I'm come and see you for police will and me and lock me up and prison me. If I'm mad of the day here, Mr. Don't cut me. I'm here to come and see you, so what you would there for? I saw no one to go to prison. What you would there for? What you would there for? If I hear a pitney and you allow that to take place with her, what you want me to do? Because what? That means you don't love her. Me for run come and see you know and risk my freedom because I'm playing a good mother's role though. And me I play a good mother role and risk my freedom, you know. And you will say, yeah, play a good father role, now risk your freedom. It don't even make no sense. You say I play a good father role. That's why you play a good father role. You play a good father role. You play a good father role now. And that you playing a good father role. You say you play a good father role. That even make no sense. What am I supposed to do? I'm not supposed to be seen in the area. You had him right there and you let him go. You had him right there. He was in your face. You said it. You say you're ignorant or you make him walk away. You have him right there, so GX. What not said to me? When I behave like me crazy. You had him right there. Your mom knew. She tell him to leave. One up to my bumper pussy blood clot pitney. One up to the little girl. So I have it long time, I know it because him draw down her clothes last month and you tell her you're gonna do nothing, so I never blood clot talk. I fuck him with a blood clot fucker. And when I come on the internet and I talk about these things, me obsessed. That's all. Rose obsessed. And when Akim now use her, she takes a panjets. I have tried to make this little suck pussy boy get in line. Get your kids safe in a safe space. Them live somewhere. Bedtime, eat time, school time, no phone, no this. Go to your bed. What do all of them I say? When I come out, come cuss him and tell him, say, brother, this and him and that and that and that. I lie me, I tell pan them, Rose a liar. I pay a lie, she tell, come here, me don't know when me look after people. That make any sense? I have worked so hard, you know, me say, you know, why am I gonna just beat my blood class and just slam it down the fucking wall? I have worked so fucking hard hard to not let this manifest how I see it. Because I see it's coming from a far way out. And that's why my cousins so daily over here. Film try down the place them can get themselves together. I see it come. She grow titty, she grow breast, she age. Predator living in the scheme. They have to be put, their kids, them can't all over the place. How you obsessed over him? And them look a fuck ready. That makes sense? That don't make sense. So the little brother, I draw down her clothes, not intentionally, just to search or something, but you as a big stinking man, I draw down her for the search her pussy. I want to make the boy walk with a blood clot. No, sir. Boy. I don't even know how to feel. I don't even know how to feel sad. I don't even know if I don't know if I feel sad, depressed. But I don't know what I feel. It's like I always see these things, prevent it, and then it just happen, and then I just feel like say, I just feel fuck up. You ever feel fuck up? You don't even want to cry? Come and see it. You are supposed to be protecting your child as a father. So when anybody come touch her, so you supposed to be the first she for tell. So cocky tell, oh, when Sean talks to tear pearl, I know. I know my daughter say a period, miss, but doesn't talk it here. I know her first period. I know her first period. Like she call me then she like I say, what you say? Come in here, you're good enough. What you say, father touch you? No, I never said that. I said, oh. Because she's mumbling something, and I think like she said something like that. I said right now, I'm burning around all type of foolishness. Come here, blood clot right now. You know what flight I made a while ago? I would have somebody penetrate and the period come down. And I'm foolish. I'm still long I think I'm a blood clot, man, you know. Hey, them something never happened to me young, you know. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hey, the world wicked to me in a blood clot, you know. Just because the man a croft. What you answer to me? How can you be standing there and the blood clot, your brother touch your blood clot picnic? I even said that in a sexual act to her. Come now, you're gonna come here, you come, and you let him walk away. Even if you tell her that, the rage where you under, hey pussy. What the blood clot, you tell my blood clot, back, go, back, hey pussy. You're supposed to be sick. You're supposed to go crazy. You're supposed to have no time for think about nothing. You're supposed to be see dark and dark and dark and a sort of darkness. Because if I was fucking there, be out of control. So, something not add up. Pussy we make. Wait, what kind of story that? OJ scam attack. Like you're bringing a story. I don't know. Come on, Titan. Boy, Father God, me just glad son around him more than the ordinary because I'm glad we can't talk. Because if we never blood clot can't talk, the boy would have still did it. You're not gonna come out right. Everything is for the media. You put your business on the media. And then you put a pit in them business over here. And then you put a pit in them business over here. Everything's for the media and then you put them business over here. So good boy. And they look what's stinking all roach them in your box. They thinking all big dirty jama roach them can't fly. And roach them be. Roach. Right in them start deflect the story now. Rose always wants to send Jake Scott prison. Oh, yeah, deflect that story there. He's a pedophile too. You have fucked my stuff and she have 14. 11 not far from 14. Deflect that. That was if you got blood clot. They got, oh, I like she tell, sorry. You are sleep on Mali and night and you put them catch up with a falcon. That makes sense as a father. But they must think people on the internet. That makes sense. You are sleep on Mali every night you put them with a falcon. Oh, that makes sense. They're not under your control or your supervision. You want to come and exploit them for gift. Because if you come with the big screen of card, they pick the diamond chair mad. I'm mad. You see me now? I'm mad. I pity them not like me. Me mad. I pity them not like me. Him say me mad. I pity them not like me. And the one I have to say is that me and my pity them don't have the relationship with him and them have. So if you and your pity have a relationship, if you and your pity have that relationship, how comes your brother make 3 attempts by far and you just know? All the part them want make sense. How comes your brother make 3 attempts by far you just a blood clot no? I try attempt him, he make him pull on her clothes. He might tell her about, I'm here come. And he might show her nudes. He might show her, pan the phone, 2 penis, film one and one next man one. And I'll say which one of them bigger. That's just out her mouth. Like him the pan him phone. And like him look on the one ya, and him come off for the one ya, and go look on the other one. So he's comparing the size to her, because she's standing there. That means him a batty man. With the blood clot, this. Whoa, I never seen this summer born to pussy clot. No, sir. I'm a batty man. How you as a man have compare 2 size dick? That is what she told me. She never told me about no porn or nude, no nothing. What should I tell me say now? Yeah, brother. Baba said, Mommy, Shanta always hide her phone. She hide her phone in her clothes and with a pull, like with a pull it down for look fit, but Adrian pull it down more.
Him say him did that fit and him pull down.
Her shorts and her panty. Her shorts and her blood clot panty. Me say the boy a long time pedophile. We did a blood clot. Him did a go on. Him have 1 quarter go for one. I saw him do. Oh. Never distress ya man. Can't bother. What me fi do now? Me fi go down and see if I go put for myself in a problem and go to prison. Because me love picnic. That me want to ask, suck cocky Cheryl now. My officer said, suck cocky Cheryl, come here. You don't talk to me like that. Suck cocky Cheryl, come here. You don't tell me how to talk to you. When you come on to my kids, I want so happy stepmother role. Suck good man, come to the forefront. Me wait till tomorrow morning, me beat you. I can't beat it tomorrow morning because me have so me ago. Me wait till Monday morning, me beat it. Me arrest me not done. You don't talk to me like that. So cocky woman come and no respect for your blood clot. You know what you mean by? You say you're so cocky too. Eh? Man goon, man Jezebel, man mascot, man booty, man gloves, man poop. You're a real man spit. You say a man spit. Kind thing with Jake till she bite. Man brainwash. Cause she want a man so bad. Because all comes, you say, the little girl tell her it today. The little girl tell her it blood clot today. And you call Jake's phone and can't get it. Me want to do them someday, you know. She tell her today, I want you to tell her today you call Jake's phone and you can't get it. But if I'm here, Akim business over here, you'd get him phone. Eh? How about you not throw no gift? So I want to know when she call Jake's and not get him phone before him hustle 188 coins which over there shoot. I want to know, you know, the one of them know something, but me no know. What time him come live? Can me come live after 4? And in the day, number 188 coins. So what time he was live? I want to know. One piece of Papa Show just a ton cheaper. One piece of blood clot careless lace wig. One come in a bag. That makes sense? Oh, that makes sense. Oh, when little girl tell me how I was calling his phone and not get him. You know, so you on him there. So they have like, oh, you see I call him on phone and not get him. Alright, so you on him not there then. Might have to call my gifter and tell my gifter that. How my gifter not get my phone in a 20 in a brawl. I'm just trying to put these things in my weirdest mind. I'm trying to fix the puzzle in this shit. I'm just saying to myself, how am I supposed to have a working phone with Wi-Fi and internet and you're calling my phone and can't get my phone? So that means that Jake's want to use it when he want money. Y'all forgive man money. How much that? Because if your blood clot say you're calling me, you not get him when you hear that. I wanna get him. I must when me go live and I talk about it, them run go call him. That means a Cheryl a liar. You can't hear something so serious about your child and you a call boy and a get boy. You a call boy and a get boy. Because if Cheryl a liar, something wrong with the story. If you say, the little girl tell you in the day part, you tell the mother you call him, for him hear or him know. For him hear or him know you not get him, that means you keep on call him. Call but the little girl tell her to go get him, go find him, should have started on the day. So, that means say, fix the puzzle in your head, Rose. Focus. If you say you call the little girl tell her the day, tell the mother, you tell the mama, and you call him. And I get him. And him say since night Chantal tell him. So when did you, Cheryl, get a chance to tell him? Appeal careless people. Then if the little girl tell Cheryl and Cheryl, if the little girl tell Cheryl, if the little girl tell Cheryl and Cheryl tell the granny, why the granny never look for the father said speed until the father said speed? Why I since night him hear from him daughter? Remember what them say we are work with, you know? So, it look like say, from them hang up the phone with by cocky Cheryl case closed. Don't it?
Obviously.
For you hang up the phone with by cocky Cheryl case closed. Put it in a recess. Look at it, imagine it. The good girl call it in the day, you tell the granny. Oh, come the granny, no go look back. Go look for me. I call Jakes, I'm not get the phone. Me go look for Jakes as the granny. Find him. Walk with the girl, go look for Jakes without Adrian have a heads up what is taking place. He wouldn't walk away. Find them hang up, because the whole of them, the Jakes no said, the woman no said, Jakes, are you Cheryl, you know? And things that me I get used, and no soon know who I get used. Who I get used, yes, sir. Come love talk about me, I get used, and me, man, no. If you little girl call you, and if little girl call you in the day and tell you that, and you tell the granny, and Jakes has since night him here, what him there for the whole time in the day when you tell him, what him there for the whole day? When you call him, when him there? How comes you never send him, mama go look for him? Where's Jakes? Go look for him. Because Jakes, normally over Alia yard, if I'm not in a lane, nah, it's fine. See if you look a bit. See if you no. See if you no. And a chair go, down back down so you walk a look for Jakes at the other side. So when a blood clot look on Jakes and tell when Cheryl look on you and tell her that, and I Cheryl hang up the argument, hang up. And that's what she tell me. Because them not do nothing about it. You know see it? And that's why I know. I mean, I know earlier on too. From five something. From a click my life, she call me. But she normally call me when I click my life. Some things say one of them day there. Some never answer. I can show you it. From a click my life, she call me. Exactly. I'm so much Chantal want. Unlock the fuck up. She normally call me when I click my life. I know she not thinking for nothing. She call me in the day. Me that start cuss already from in the day. So since now, I don't want you call me now. Back now, I say, what now? Because you da call me. Mommy, you see me call him, I say, yes. What you mean, she said, my mommy, you're on live. I say, yes, Shanta, we out with that, you're on live, you call me. Me glad you tell me too. Me glad me ball it out too. Because me never ball it out, him would have fuck her. Oh, them a look cloud. Yeah, them a look cloud. They're looking cloud. Come on, what kind of cloud me a blood clot look? Fucking idiot. This is not a fucking sense. What the clout there? How want to talk everything and I hide that? If my blood clot care should have that happen, it would have stink from it happen. I'm just saying. Sometimes we gotta switch ourselves and put ourselves in for them shoes to get the conclusion of what we're trying to say. Them wouldn't hide it. You know, over here, the big stinking gallon, the big shape by gallon, the big this and the big stinking gallon, the big stinking hog. A man chua, come on, you the runner, and look what happened. And all of them, she careless. She careless. Akim chua. She careless. She careless, cash around. Akim chua, man chua, man chua. A man chua, that the all of them with a blood clot long and dissect the story and say. But when I him, you're going to hear, oh, we're going to take legal action for somebody that leave the community now as we're speaking. You're like he's right there. You're taking legal action because he's right there. You say, unless I want dead. You say them for dead, you know? You say them are drunk or for dead. It don't make sense. How are you going to take a legal action on a person that is walk away? What are you doing? We don't have a sympathy, we don't have empathy in a woman. Which one of them over have they have sense? None of them have sense, you know? A pure idiot. Me convinced Cheryl not no sense. Nessa not have no sense. The rest of them not have no sense. Sassy and P not have no sense. 6 senseless duckling. 6 senseless duppy. What am I at a gas station for? I paired up with them 6 senseless duppy. What am I going to find agent for lock him up? 6 senseless duppy bat. 6 senseless duppy. That make sense? You see that nonsense? And there are fucking adults that don't have no sense. They like talk to you that, you know. Them not have no, Mr. Cheryl fool like duck in a blood clot. And that's why him can't have them and them caliber because them not have no sense. Because people with sense wouldn't sit around Jakes. People with sense would have sit around Jakes. People have sense would have sit around. There must 4 people sitting around Jakes. Me did fool 2 minutes with the blood clot around him. You don't never have no sense neither. Me fool like duck no blood clot for God breed. As a big thinking whore. Me not no sense. Cause me should never talk about dirty man. A dirt alert. Me not no sense neither. Me should never talk about blood clot man or barefoot and funky. And I wear good clothes. Me not no blood clot sense neither. Me don't really want shot with shit. And if you do the shit. If you breathe for all them old junk out there. Old cuff lad. You see my cuff? I said I could have beat. Boy, I says, boy. Me don't know, boy, I'm glad me they earn some sense. Earn it to learn it. That makes sense? Me don't know sense that I feel breed. Blood clot. Why, Cheryl? Me don't know sense that too. Me not say uno alone. Cause me blood clot breed. So the first blood clot, Pinky and the brains are me. I peer Patrick Star over them box. Peer, you ever see watch Patrick Star and a sponsor? Patrick now have no sense. I peer that over Drake's life. Patrick Stars. 1, 2. Patrick Star 1, 2. That's how we name them out. Yeah. When the story did blood clot come out, him run go click live. Oh, Akim now want rose cause she on a sex a blood clot, peel and ran. But you know blood clot, your brother try molest your daughter. The boy no want her and stinking pussy shit over there. The boy no want her and oh, more she play, more one suck cocky slutty. With the whole pack grunge water and fear pussy. Oh, Jakes is a good father. Oh, Jakes is a good blood clot father and blood clot. Oh, him brother pull on him pick the pros and him don't know. How comes you're a good dad and your uncle makes your brother makes 3 attempts at your daughter and you don't have a clue? And that me want the world to define. Me want somebody to talk about it now when me can define it, you know. But I like the people run with a message and sit down and deflect it. Me say, how comes he's a good father? And your brother make 3 attempts for your daughter you don't know. Come on, want him say him no know, you see? I'm saying no no. Him say him no no. And if it was a good blood clot father, the first attempt you'd know. Like if your people go use the toilet and them do and them say, and as them don't do them, because say, Mom, when I poo, my ass kind of burns. You're supposed to know. Because you're always right there. But you're not always right there. That's why you don't know shit. Why blood clot take place. So we'll see who kill this and who not kill this. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. You just want all you're just sitting, you're just always trying to get back at me and do what I do. And trying to be jealous of me that you're pinning them life around here, you can't see it. Because remember me, I walk this mama, you know. Remember, you know, the sodomite one say me, I walk this mama. You're thinking woman, them say me, I walk this mama. Hand, me know how this hand to you, them I try to cover it up with trauma and glisten. Yes, Jakes, we're gonna take what? Yes, Jakes, we're gonna take immediate actions on same set speed. Eh? What are you saying? You should have kept got a blood clot doctor for you since night. What are this be? I don't even know what I talk for. Sometimes it helps because if I don't speak, probably more go mad in 50 seconds. Yeah, I have to talk about it. Coming, I want to go do nothing stupid and get myself in a problem. That at me ear, the first thing if you do a keep in a doctor. Me when your mom on the station with your brother, you and her got doctor. Because your rank is supposed to always have cash. To identify if she's been touched or not. So none of the man touch her. No, nothing, you know. Them don't know one blood clot, nothing. None of the man touch her, none of the man feel, none of the man penetrate, no shit. Go along a session and get one piece of paper so you do the reporting and that's it. Same thing, the same law, that the same thing. I'm just seeing this cycle repeating itself to me again. And the first time me did have to put in my foot and nothing never come out tight, and the same thing will happen to this. Remember them fuck my sister when she was 14, you know. Them fuck her when she was 14, Jake's fuck her, Miguel fuck her, and me carry a gas station. I will go up a rape unit. And no, she not gonna just that's a shower. She's a child that's gonna need counseling. A lot of things when me have no control over the university at me again. Them not got business, them father not business. The father want to come over here, move your blood clot, or keep no warn you. You're not a sex appeal, you're shape body, you're sick, you're mad, you're stink, you're this. Last thing I come say. For the one them wanna like me, can say, yes, GX Angler. Cause she a dirty mama. And call it the two local kinds of man. Then when them look gone over, all they gone them with pussy and body. That's all. Wake up tomorrow morning, 1 cup of rum. That's all. That's it. That's all. Nothing more. Pull on her clothes. She's supposed to be seeking medical attention right away. She can be penetrated. I'm gonna eat. I don't even know what is been taking place. Make her period come down. We don't know what is wrong with down there. We don't know. No question is taking place. They don't know shit. Them know nothing. Them know nothing. What them blood clot know? Nothing. Nothing a blood clot all. And I want to label the man and define the man as the worst. You know, if a blood clot Akeem, that's Akeem no more tell little girl like to go check out there's something wrong with it. If she get touched, he must have come rose right away. He would even itch. That's why somewhere down the line and I'm back on my head, I have to always have a special love for that boy. He would even itch. He must have rose come, I could do it now. Left from the station, then what? No back area, them business. Them not business. Them not business, you know. But if him go along at the courthouse tomorrow, man, you got to go to one paper for me, them a push him and him a go. If I go along at the courthouse tomorrow, man, I got to go to one paper. If I go down at the courthouse tomorrow for pick up one paper for have me a court, I'll be a center my son in a blood clot. Leave them with a reach. As a father and she's in your custody and she's in your care, it's like I got a doctor and pull on her clothes, he can penetrate her. You don't think about that? Your brain is weak and shallow. You say you have 5 subjects. All of them, I say a Pierre Patrick over there, but me fool too. Me just blood clot revolve in a sponge. So I turn SpongeBob and come out of Patrick days. That is the first fucking thing that you should do when you leave the station. Go and get the little girl checked. So cocky Shirley, when she called it today, that's the first thing you should advise her to do. Go and get, but all of them broke. Because master go bother such a money and the father go bother same money because they want Shirley to spend. Show them personal ATM, you know. And then the talk about Akeem I use me. True. Man care never lack. But Ugly Park for the 5,000 for see the doctor. And I like to check out the injection. You're going to go to the doctor and say, doctor, we just want a medical to see if she penetrates because so and so. Have a pan record. Man care doesn't close. A private doctor that you know like to about late down at night. I just she call in the day. So I know them don't know the girl been penetrated. They don't know. Not saying she are, but you have to think of the unthinkable when it comes to kids and these predators. Common sense teacher that. On no one in a girl business, in a girl pathway, and all of a girl in a girl on a nast. Are them things on for no. You still don't define that the mama sex appeal. Look at girl shape, but she have sex appeal. You should watch her closely. If you go over Nyam Kaki Alia, she's supposed to sleep today, so the Alia. When you don't bite and tear on one of them tail, when you can't go in the bushes. Your kid's supposed to be your personal handbag, purse, and luggage. If I was there, this bullshit could have never. I would have beat myself 100 times. I beat myself. Let me they run this shit could have never blood clot. Because Freddie Merchant I can never go road. Yeah. She can't go road. As I look over Shanta, shout her road. Look on the time, go call her. Shanta said to me, say, Mommy, one time, say, Mommy, me can't sleep on the auntie. I say, no. Why? Because I said no. I asked my father. You have to understand, when them young, I just start give them chance to sleep out at that age, them things that them can just randomly take themselves and go do what them want to do. No work, so. Jakes have no parental guidance, no parented. Suck pussy, suck pussy, nyambati, drink, smoke, in that. You know about them something there. Your kids them supposed to be always in their presence, so you know what keep. Nothing for be unnoticed for you, for watch them. So you can know when things is occurring. Them body language, everything, for know them something when it comes to your youth. Not for, oh, him get 100 on him tests. You ever know when something bother them, when they ever know them something there, what's wrong with you? Why you look like that? How you comes you look so today? What's wrong? Him don't know shit. Ask him how Holly a pussy stays, him know. And Mines and Cheryl. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients of the perfect little girl. Unless I pussy him good and yam. Yeah. Cause the two make them go back in a so she say Nessa flower half a year so Nessa she done with them what day ya. Me ear says she and blood clot all in a car. Boy. So the man bring her the train back, beloved. This is serious certified judgment. The man bring her back to the camp. She fly up in the back since night. Cause somebody tell me say she and Ali had two made them in the van. Yeah. As I come hear the dialogue, my love. I hear the dialogue. So I say blood clot. But them no know some tense by than at all time. Come smart. The bad never tell me that. When him not use necessarily me seen her. In time I lose her, she come back. Same work. When him not use she, you know, your gunshot out her mouth. So when I use her, she fly up in her box. She never want unmad herself now. Again. And she never want to do nothing because she see the love of her lifetime. One piece of man poop. But they all dirty ears, man, I leave them in a blindness. Garbage. No busy when nobody wants to say, no busy when nobody wants to say. Me can't tell them that this life are the blood clot next. Me there with that man for 12 blood clot years. I know the garbage that he is. Don't give a fuck. He is garbage. I know what the garbage he is. You know them little dirty pad there? Yeah, that's how him be. As you see, they want to vomit. Them little dirty thinking pad there. That's what he is. Cause how the fuck that you're gonna be living in the same area and your brother make attempt by your child 3 times and you don't know shit about it, and then you're coming on TikTok to say, oh, you're a good dad. Make that even make sense. That even make no fucking sense. Eh? That even make no sense. 3 attempts but you don't know shit. I since night year 1. Eh? I since night year 1. And I since night me all 3. And it look like it a bad eye, that's why she talk. Cause she tell her granny and her granny nothing about it. And he make an attempt, look like me make an attempt today. I must that. Because she's smart, she know wrong from right. That she could have called Body Mouth Shirley, she want to tell the whole world. That's why Body Mouth Shirley here. He make attempt today, because when I must, when they make attempt again, it trigger and it bring back memory. Sorry, I'm not gonna stay so it's so. I'm not gonna stay on the internet. I don't know. I'm gonna be and just go somewhere far away. It have to do something today again that triggers back those memories. It has to be. It's no other way.
Maybe it was more serious today.
Exactly. So the uncompromising touch, it has to be something. And if you was a father that sit down and challenge and say, look here, come here, baby girl. Anybody will touch her, tell me. Tell me, find me. Shut up on the first attempt. You know that? Huh? You know.
Flick out all it. Finds out that. That's why.
First, I must say I give honor